Hello to all my successful, unique, and innovative business partners, and welcome to the research part of this video on how to research so you can start putting your ads up in Yahoo, start generating some traffic, start generating some sales, and then once you reach a comfortable amount of sales, then you can pretty much just maintain what you have going. And not only are your sales going to continue to come in with the ads that you have at nice conversion rates, but also your income's still going to grow because guess what? You get paid off of the efforts of other people. So the people that you're bringing in, once they start to move and once they start to work, then that's going to just increase your income the more so. But here we are at the login page at the sponsored search. What should have happened is you guys should have click activate it later. You should have agreed to the terms and agreements, and then you would have got an email to come and log in, and this is the page you should be at and have your login information, and just go ahead and click log in. Okay, while we load. And the first thing you guys should do when you log in is go here to this administrative tab. Now I can't go here because it has personal information, but go to your administration tab, and what you're going to do is you're going to fill in your billing information, fill it in, and then you're going to go to the next page. And now what you want to do when you go to the next page is to set up your amounts that you automatically want to be charged, once you reach the limit on your accounts. And how you do that is you change it. They're going to have it at some ridiculous amount, like they had mine at $1,000 or something like that. But you want to put it down to an amount that you're comfortable with manually coming out. If it's $50, if it's $100, for me, I put $30. Okay, because I don't plan on doing that tremendous amount of advertising through this. I'm letting the system work, bring the people in, get the people working, and then the system would grow on its own. That's what the Marketing Alliance Group formula is about, and that's more of a 100% residual business model. It's not based on your own efforts and your own resources. That's what makes it so powerful. It's a culmination of so many people contributing, to the income that, one particular person, can't make a significant difference on your income. It's like, say for instance, if you run out of money, and if you were the main advertiser and the main source of your own income, then guess what? Your income is going to suffer. But if you build an organization, of many people, and a lot of resources, then your income is going to be more stable, because it's less of a probability, that something will happen to multiple people than it will just happen into one person, I'm sorry. Alright, so here we are. After you do all that, you take care of your business at the administration tab. Then what you want to do is you want to start the research process so you can make some ads and take over some keywords and start getting some traffic to your websites, and then from there getting the traffic, starting to generate sales. So here's how we start the research process. Let me go to my Word document first. Here is what we are targeting here at the Marketing Alliance Group. Okay, we're targeting the network marketing and MLM industry. They're one and the same. They're just two different words used for the same thing. We're targeting also the direct sales industry. We're targeting the build a business online industry. Okay, we're targeting all of these industries because these people are already sold on the whole concept of what we do, as I stated in the other video. Okay, so here's kind of a little place to get started with your advertising, and I definitely suggest expanding beyond this, but this within itself can support hundreds of thousands of people doing the same thing because the market is so huge. Alright, some of the places we can do is our names of MLM companies, as you see here. Also top producers of MLM companies, websites, systems that help support MLM companies. I don't know why this isn't highlighting, but I guess my computer is acting a little funny. Well, we're still going to continue forward as long as we're recording. But yeah, your company names, top producers that are in the companies, the websites of the companies and the top producers, the systems, and any low traffic variations of these. Now I know you're wondering, why do I want to place ads in low traffic areas? Well, it's not really that they're low traffic, it's just that they're undiscovered. And if you place many ads in many different low traffic areas, then you're going to generate, a lot of traffic, but at a low cost. If you want to place ads in high traffic areas, then it's going to cost you. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. If you have the budget to do that, and you guys want to do that, you can do that, but I really don't suggest that, because we can't have that 10 to 1 advertising to sales expense like I like to have. For every $10 I spend, I like to make $100. We can't have that ratio, not using this particular strategy. I mean, you can't have a 50 or 60%, for every $50 or $60 you spend, you can have 100, or for every 20, 25 or 30, but I prefer to have that nice ratio of $10, and then let my organization grow on its own. From there, let motivate the people, let the system do what it's supposed to do. All right, so yeah, these are what I'm going to show you guys how to search for right now, actually. Okay, let's go back to the internet. And what I did was I went to Google and I typed in top MLM companies. Alright, top MLM companies, and I found a couple of nice websites that I'm just going to use for the purpose of this video. You could use them, but what I really want you guys to get from this video is not exactly what I'm doing, even though you can do that, but the how I'm going about finding, what we were talking about here. How I'm going about finding company names and top producers, and the websites and the systems, how I'm going about finding those. Okay, so I go to, let's just pick this one, top 25 MLM network marketing companies. Okay, as that page loads, we go down and they give us a list of network marketing companies, and I can just go through and arbitrarily pick one. I'm going to pick let's see, ACN. Alright, so what I would do is I would go to, matter of fact, I would just push the back button. I'll go back, or you can open a new tab, it doesn't matter, but I'll go back and I'll type in that keyword ACN. Now I'm looking at this and I see that ACN has a ton of ads. Alright, a ton of ads. Matter of fact, this whole web page is filled with ads, filled with it. So it would be a highly competitive keyword to bid on, and these people are paying dollars a click. I will bet that any day they're paying over $1 a click. Alright, and we can even search a tool that I have listed here for you guys, and it's called NicheBot Classic /WT. Alright, so let me go type that in. It's a great research tool, NicheBot Classic /WT. Now what this does is it shows you the traffic of any keyword you type in here. You just type the keyword in and type the captcha in, this little code in here, and then click search. You might have to create an account to do this on your computer, but it is free to create and it doesn't take long. And it shows you that ACN is a very, very popular keyword that's searched on Yahoo. It gets 711 searches a day. 711 searches a day. That's really, really nice, really, really good. But it doesn't fit our strategy, because it can get very expensive, for these clicks. But what does fit our strategy is, another thing I have written here is, you are to use bid on URLs. An example is, like www.ex.com. Let's take a look at how competitive the URL is. www.acn.com. Well, you look at here. Only one person is bidding on this keyword. Now let's try the ACN INC keyword. That's a lot more competitive. That is a lot more competitive, but look at here. I bet you do have some people type in acn.com. Alright, so this would be a keyword that I would definitely better. Let's see if this is the actual website.